This is Arabic class number 3. We're going out Medina book, book 1. الدرس الثالث. بيت البيت. كتاب الكتاب. قلم القلم. قلم القلم. جمل الجمل. القلم مكسور. الباب مفتوح. الولد جالس. المدرس واقف. الكتاب جديد والقلم قديم. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. الكرسي مكسور. المنديل واسخ. الماء بارد. القمر جميل. البيت قريب والمسجد البعيد. الحجر ثاكل ورق خفيف. اللبن هار والقميص نظيف. And this chapter is dealing with the qaida, which is alif lam with tanween la yajtami'ani. The alif and lam and tanween does not be in the same word together. You will not find a tanween or alif and lam in the same word together. I'd like to give you the example in the chapter. Baytun, which is out without alif and lam, and it has tanween. Then you have the other one, al-baytu, with alif and lam with no tanween. Now you see, baytun al-baytu. You would never see, this is a qaida in the Arabic language, that you would never see alif and lam and tanween in the same word. And now they give you, and as you go down in the first page, they see that they give you some examples to show you. Like they have al-qalamu maksurun, al-babu maftuhun. Now in the Arabic terminology of that right there, when it says no alif and lam and tanween in the same word, you have nakira. You have nakira. Nakira is ismul dalu ala ghayril mu'ayyan, and that is a noun which is a proof for something that's not consistent. Something that is not consistent, meaning that this you will have. This doesn't mean it's something in particular. When you say baytun, basically you're saying that baytun is any house. It's no specific house. That's why it says ismu dalu ala ghayru ma'iyyin, that this is a proof upon something that's not consistent, something that's not known. Something that's not known. Mu'ayyin, something that's not known. Baytun, babun, and like that. If you don't put alif and lam on it, then it's something that you're going to say that's not specific to one particular thing. Then you have the other one, which is ma'arifa, which is ismu dalu ala mu'ayyin, that is a noun upon the proof of something that is known. Something that is known. Like you will say al-baytu, the house. When you say the house, meaning you talk about a specific house. Or you say al-babu, the door, you're talking about a specific door. And that's in that part of the chapter is dealing with that thing right there. Alif and lam with tanweenu la yajtami'ani. With nakira wa ma'rifa. Wa ma'na nakira ismu dalu ala ghayru mu'ayyan. Wa ma'na ma'rifatu ismu dalu ala mu'ayyan. Nakira is a noun which is a proof of something that is not known. And ma'rifa is a noun which is what it points to something which is known, or is a proof for something that is known. Now if you want to say, you want to talk about maftuhun, a key, you're saying any key. When you just say maftuhun by itself without alif and lam, it has a tanween, then you're talking about any key. You're not talking about no specific key. But if you want to talk about a specific key, you say al-miftahu, al-miftahu. Another point that it has regarding this nakira or ma'rifa is that when it's nakira, it has tanween, and when it's ma'rifa, it has dammatul wahid. one dhamma. And this chapter is basically broken into two parts. The first part is dealing with nakir wa ma'rifa and the qaida that goes with it. And the qaida again for this is alif lam wa tanweenu la yastami'an. Now you have tamarin awwal iqra waqtu, read and write. Iqra waqtu ma'a da'ati aw akhir al kalimat, that you read and write, and when you write you place the ending of the words, and it's giving you a practice of nakir wa ma'rifa. It's giving you words as nakira and it's giving you words as ma'rifa, and you got to put the ending of it. Either it has a tanween or it doesn't have a tanween. Tamarin Thani, the second exercise, is Ikra Waqtu, read and write. The third tamarin is Imla'u Faragi Fiha Yali Buda'i Kalimatin Munasiba Min Kalimatu Taliya. In this right here, you put the words that's in this line right here, that's on the line over the top, like you have Jamilun, Wasikhun, Miftahun, Harun, Thakilun, Khafifun. You put those in the blank spots, the ones where word goes right with them. You have the second one, which now, this one right here, this one tells you, Imla'u Fariqa Fiha Yali Bawda'id Kalimatu Munasib. Now you put the word, the actual word, that fits in the last word. You put the first one that goes right with that last word. Now it has kalimat jadid, kamaru, moon, jadidun, new, qadimun, old, wasikhun, dirty, nadifun, clean, harun, hot, baridun, cold, saghirun, small, kabirun, big, maftuhun, open, maksurun, broken, thakilun, heavy, khafifun, light, jamilun, beautiful, waqifun, to stand up, jalisun, to sit. Now it's the second part of the lesson. Najmun and najmu, deekun, ad-deeku, rajulun, ar-rajulu, talibun, at-talibu, an-najmu ba'idun, wal-rajulu waqifun, سكر حلو طالب مريض ديك جميل الدفتر جديد التاجر غني الدكان مفتوح الولد فاقر التفاح لذيذ الطالب طويل والمريض قصير. And now it gives you again some examples dealing with that. But now let's go to the second part, which is the qaida. The qaida of that part right there is alif lam tuktabu wa la tuntaku fil qamariyya. The lam is written and pronounced in the letters of qamariyya. And later on in the chapter you'll see they give you examples of what is the letters of qamariyya and what are the letters of shamsiyya. The second one is Al-Lamu Tuktabu wa la tuntaku shamsiyya. Fi shamsiyya. The lam is written and is not pronounced in the letters of shamsiyya, the sun letters. So now they give you the sun letters. Now in the chapter goes to some tamarin. It gives you read and write and place the last vowel on the end of the letters as though in the first part. The second one is the same thing. You add the first letter to make the sentence complete. And now this one right here, you it's like give a line back and forth. You know, the first section, you point to the second section to make a sentence. Kalimat jadid, hulwun, sweet, maridun, sick, dukanu, a store, ghaniyun, rich, tawilun, tall, fakirun, poor, qasirun, short, tufahu, apple. This first part of the lesson, it deals with harf al-qamariyya, harf al-shamsiyya. As you know, the qaida is